How's it going? My name is Nick. I'm creative director and co-owner of B Headwear.
Roughly.
For the last year and a half, B Headwear has been producing premium Bluetooth beanies. Our Bluetooth beanies have revolutionized the way winter sport enthusiasts listen and enjoy their music. So anything from working out in the cold to the ski and snowboard scene, and we wanted to bring that revolution to all the seasons. The B-Link is completely compatible with all helmet systems, giving you a 4-season surround sound system for any of your activities. We focused on creating an ultra slim and extremely durable piece, making it so it can put up with the abuse as well as leave you with zero ear fatigue. The B-Link features a Bi-Micro 4.0 chip, 9 hours of playtime, 30mm speaker drivers, quick charge micro USB, built-in microphone, making communication through cell phone or two-way radios ultra clear. We also added a step-by-step voice prompt guide so the system can be set up in complete darkness. Most Bluetooth systems that are using our same technology cost hundreds of dollars. And frankly, we feel like it's dishonest to charge this much for audio. We built this brand around creating quality products, not flashy images and celebrities, meaning that we get to give you the highest quality Bluetooth and audio at a price that anyone can afford. Everyone here at B Headwear is super excited to bring you our next step in a 4-season surround sound system.
Hello? Hey, Mom. Hey, no, I'm driving right now. I'll call you back when I'm done. Alright, bye.
habitsa, habitsa, kabummarolangoppa, matuburi habitsa, habitsa, habitsa.
I can't offer you the opportunity to come in and make fire.
The first part is fairly anticlimactic. We simply need to turn the potassium chloride into a molten form.
Yeah.